Okay, guys, it's me. It is raining. We all love the rain. I know that. It's been raining all day today. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like I said, it's been raining all freaking day. I was at school waiting for my babysitter, and there's UPS right there. Alright? And, oh, looks like there's going to be a flood soon. It's never been like this before. There was thunder earlier. I think there was, I don't know, but there surely was thunder. And to tell you the truth, all this, guys, it just started. So to God that this thing just started. Guys, Mom, she went to the store. I have no clue.